So we have the volume of rectangular box R. Remember that the formula for the volume of a box is the length times the width times the depth. You need all three dimensions, and you need to multiply them all times each other to be able to figure out the volume. Statement 1 tells us the two adjacent sides of R are 5 and 6. There's no third dimension here, so we can't figure out the volume from that. Statement 1, insufficient. We can also cross off answer choice D. Statement 2 tells us the two opposite faces of R each have an area of 30. Well, if we knew that that gave us the dimension of the third, well, on its own, that just tells us that the two opposite faces are, so like we'll call this one X, and then the opposite one is the one that's in the back there. That they each have an area of 30, well, we don't have the third dimension there. And we also don't even know whether it's 1 by 30 or 5 by 6. So statement 2 on its own, not sufficient. Get rid of choice B. In conjunction, even so, this actually appears to give us the exact same numbers. This tells us that these two ends of our box here might be 5 by 6, but we still don't know what the depth of the box is. And without that, we can't figure out what the dimensions of the box are. And so even in conjunction, the two statements are still missing our third dimension. Answer choice E.